Hello, in today's video I'll tell you how to use the simmering basket on Thermomix TM6. This is the simmering basket. You can use it for something that you don't that you just want to cook and don't want it to touch the blades. Although if you are cooking eggs, you actually don't need to use it. You can use the automatic egg boiler mode, which will be careful with the eggs, but well, if you want to cook like rice or pasta, if you want to cook pasta alone, because if you're putting pasta in soup, then you're probably just putting it directly there, and you should just put reverse mode and stirring mode on the device. But if you want to use the simmering basket, feel free to do it. Now let's remove the lid first and put the simmering basket in that way, so this side faces us. Now it should sit there nicely. And then you could put something in there by opening this lid. Now you should close this lid here. And depending on what you want to achieve, you can either put the measuring cup on top or not. If you want the steam to get out, then you may not want to put the measuring cup, especially if you want to even put Varoma on top, because you can do it even with the simmering basket. If you, for example, want to boil some potatoes in the simmering basket and then put some fish and vegetables in the Varoma. Now, once you're done with cooking, you can remove the lid. And now, in order to carefully remove the simmering basket without burning yourself, you can use the spatula and attach it like that, like at an angle. Hold it your way, like that, and then it's attached. You can see there is the attachment. Let me demonstrate that once again. There it is. Now it is attached. You could then drain it and then take a bowl and flip it over so that you can take it out. Now that is how you can use it. Now there's also one other usage, which if you want to let the steam out of your mixing bowl, but you don't want it to splash, then you could put the simmering basket on top of the lid in order to like stop splashing but let out more steam. That is especially useful, for example, for thickening sauces. There's, by the way, a thicken mode on the device. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope that, and I'll see you in the next one.